Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another easy-to-follow tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking to secure your assets or a seasoned trader wanting a quick refresh, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end, you'll have your crypto safely transferred and ready to go. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase account and a Coinbase Wallet set up. If you don't, head over to the app stores or websites to download and create them. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged into your Coinbase account on your phone or computer, navigate to the dashboard where you can see all your holdings. Step 1. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, let's say you're moving some Bitcoin. Just tap or click on the asset in your portfolio. Next, look for the Send or Withdraw button. It's usually right there on the screen. This is where the magic happens. Now, for step 2, you'll need your Coinbase Wallet address. Open your Coinbase Wallet app, select the same cryptocurrency, and copy the wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check it to avoid any mistakes. That's crucial to prevent losing your funds. Back in Coinbase, paste that address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the network fees. In 2025, fees might vary based on blockchain congestion, so keep an eye on that to save some cash. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your two-factor authentication for added security. Once it's sent, give it a few minutes to process. Depending on the crypto, it could be almost instant or take up to an hour. Finally, hop back into your Coinbase wallet and refresh to see your assets arrive. Awesome job! A quick tip. Always use the official apps and enable security features like biometrics. If you run into issues, Coinbase's support is pretty responsive. There you have it. Transferring crypto has never been easier. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.